trying to get that head squashed. Good, she bowed. You kind of, yes, good. Now, good. All right. Now let's see your strength. How will you help me take down Optimus Prime? Well, do you have a fighting stance you can show me? Fists, claws? All right, here's what you do. Turn around, spread your feet shoulder width apart, bend your knees a little, push one fist up and one claw. And what you do is you grab your opponent by the throat with your claw, and then you punch them repeatedly in the face with your fist. It feels so good. Oh. I really want to demonstrate that tonight. Let's just hope an Autobot shows up so I don't have to do it on a human. Give me the back nod. Give me a back nod. All right, there you go. Now, what is your fighting style? Hands behind your back, that looks like you're being arrested. All right, good. No, I like the other better. Don't want to see you arrested for doing my bidding, even though it might be illegal and nefarious. Wouldn't want you arrested for it. I like the color you wear. Purple is my color. Yes, you will fit in nicely with my human contingency. Now turn around and show me your claws. Oh yes, you've scratched out an eyeball before, haven't you? Yes, you watch out. Watch out for this one. Good. The Autobots will never see it coming. That is what I like to see. Very impressive. Child with the height upgrade. Can't even look at me. Oh, you're going to start screaming and kicking as well. Now that's when it really gets exciting. Oh, don't want to look behind you. I can't blame you, that's where the danger comes from. Hold your ground, child. You almost had it. Stand right in front of Dad, there you go. You're standing with me, I promise I won't step on you. It's not like the old days. I could just step on any child I wanted. Too many lawsuits. Good job, give him applause. Let him know he has done a good job. Now raise him as a Decepticon. None of this Autobot stuff, yes? 10, that is... What? I have no idea about human relationships. How do I get back with my ex? Oh, I don't have any clue. We don't do relationships like you humans do. Now don't just stand there weakly. I need to see your fists and claws, gnashing teeth, kicking feet. Who is that above me?